Hey guys, welcome back to another video of trending niches. I have a 4 to 5 new niches that it start selling. So let's get into it. First niche I have is Lord is my shepherd and I need constant supervision. And it have very low competition right now. And Easter is coming, so it will get you some more sales. And check, every badge have a new design. And if we can see, the BSR is also low, 300k, 400k. Try to add graphics. These all are text-based design, so you can add the graphics in this design. The old design have a new badge. It starts selling on March. Check, old design is uploaded in March. The second niche I have is first of all Jesus think I am delight. And if we can see, the competition is really low. And the sales BSR is really good. And old design is new. Look, March 6. This also is new. The old design is new uploaded. Look, new, and it have a 500k BSR, 600k BSR. You can add some graphics into this design and you can get some sales with this design. The third best selling niche I have is bad day to be a check. This is recently started selling and BSR and the competition is really low. If you can see, the first design is uploaded in March and it have a BSR. The second design is March 10. BSR is 500k. This old design is new. So this can really do good even in Thanksgiving. So this niche have a potential. And all other design. So many people are joining in this niche. So this is, try to come up with this new graphic style or related to Thanksgiving design. It can get you some sales. The fourth design I have is Hug Me If You Are a Baby. This is the different version of I Need a Hug from a Baby, as you can see. But now you can reverse it and get some sales from this design. I only find one design of this text, so you can get some sales with these and reverse the design. So this is really trending niche that gets you some new sales, and this uploaded at March 11 and BSR is 600k. So this is the really low competition niche. I found it. Just change the word and you can get some sales into this niche. The fifth niche I have is baseball drip bunny Easter t-shirt kinda design. The competition is low in this niche and you can try to add, because this kind of design of ice dripping is recently start selling loads and loads and so many new. Look at this design, it have a new batch and it's sold and it have a 600k BSR. Look, it's uploaded March 11. In a week it scaled maybe a 2-3 or more than 5 sales. So if you can create related or little bit different of baseball drip design with Easter. Look, another one, it have even a review with bunny. And this is all new design started selling ice stripping design. So yes, try to get some sales with this niche. The sixth niche I have is coming out of my cave Jesus design. This is recently started selling a lot. Look at the first best selling design, sold 100 plus sales. So this is really good opportunity. The second design is I also have a new batch, but it also started selling. You can try this on Gemini and come up with new idea or something, and it will get you some sales on Easter. So this also have a potential of getting some new sales on your portfolio. So yes, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comment if what you think about these niches, and if you want more video of new niche that sells with very low competition.